In this video, we are going to talk about percent as ratio. Now, if you look at the word percent, you see this bit here, the cent. The word cent means 100. So that's how you get the word century. And you get the word hundreds, you get the idea of 100 cents in a dollar. And the word per means out of 100. So when you say something like something is 30%, something is 30%, what it means that it is 30 out of 100. Okay, so look at this problem here. The cost of an e-reader is $249, and we have to add taxes to it at the checkout counter and then finally calculate the cost of it. So what do we do first? So we say, okay, I need to calculate for every $100 I have to pay $13. So if I pay $249, how much taxes will I pay? Though this is the tax on $249. So notice here how I have changed a percent to a ratio here. So this is the percent change to ratio. Because we are comparing two ratios, they are proportions right now. So we have changed a percent problem to a proportion problem. And you guys know how to do this one. To isolate for the x, I have to multiply both sides in the numerator, both sides by 249. And what I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. And if I put this the side here, 249 times 13 over 100 in my calculator, I get $32.37. So this is the actual taxes I paid. So the final cost of the e-reader would be the original amount, 249 is the actual cost, and I have to add this taxes at the checkout counter, and that number would be 281.37. So this is one way of calculating the taxes, the final cost of it. The second way of doing it is like this. So this is method 2. Method 2. So the second method is because we pay 13% tax, so 13% taxes, and this 13% is calculated on the original amount of 100%. Okay, so originally your 100 units, and on top of the 100 units, we're going to add 13 units. So the way you can calculate this taxes is like this. So the original cost we have is out of 100 now, we are paying 113. And why do we do the 113? Is because it's 100 plus 13% of the tax. That comes from 100 plus 13% tax. And the other part of the calculation is exactly the same as before. That is $249 is the cost of the e-reader. What is the final amount that I need to pay? So here we multiply both sides again by 249 and then times 249. Cancel, cancel. And what you have here is 281.37. What is the difference between the method 1 and method 2? In the method 1, we found the tax first, the amount, and then we added it to the original amount. In the method 2, we are doing the same thing in one step. So the 113 now represents the original amount plus the taxes, the original amount plus the taxes. So whatever method you prefer, follow that. Second example for you. So this is a discount question. So a pair of shoes cost $120 and it is on sale for $25. So what is the actual discount? So let's write a proportion here. So the discount is 25% off for every $100. That is 25%. So what is the actual discount that you save? So that would be D dollars discount out of 120. Once you have this set up, you can say, I want to get rid of the 120 on both sides. So cancel, cancel. And if you put this into your calculator, you will find that the discount is $30. Now the original amount of the shoes, was 120. So the cost, sorry, the cost of the shoes now is the original amount, subtract the discount amount. So this is the actual money you're going to pay. Now this is not with the taxes, so we have to go ahead and we have to calculate the actual taxes that we have to pay. So let's calculate the taxes now. So we know we do the calculation just like before. So taxes is 13%. So 13 out of 100. Notice that I'm using the method 1 from the previous problem. So out of $90, how much taxes will we pay? So to calculate this, we have to multiply both sides by 90. So that would be 90 times 13 divided by 100. I'm getting $11.7. $11.7. This is the taxes. Final cost. Final cost now equals $90, which is the cost of the shoes after the discount, and you have to add the taxes which we will pay at the checkout counter, and that would be plus 90, and that is 101.70 cents. See you in the next video.